This is my first 2-minute conviction after an extended break, and ironically, the topic I'm choosing is endings. Do you know leaders of strong convictions and really noble character can still dilute their effectiveness because they haven't learned how to deal with endings? We've got to understand how to say no, how to finish well, how to stop doing certain things that we've done for a long time so that we can embrace the new. Henry Cloud has written an amazing book on this called Necessary Endings, and he builds the metaphor of pruning and says there's 3 criteria that we need to be aware of to end things. Number 1, we're looking for the dead branches, of course, the things that we shouldn't be doing because it's not working. Number 2, we should be looking for the sick branches that probably won't recover, the things that you can overexert energy and time into, but it's probably like flogging a dead horse. And 3, even the healthy branches that are in the way of the other parts of the tree that are producing the best fruit. So getting rid of the good to preserve the best. And all of these endings can apply to making decisions, hard, difficult choices around the people who we work with that make up our teams. You can apply endings to your task list to get rid of the things that fall into those 3 categories. It can apply to the thoughts that you entertain and the dreams you envision. Necessary endings. So in life and leadership and in all of these contexts, think about what is dead, what is sick and won't recover, and what is good but not great, to actually say no and finish off so that you can take hold of the new. That's my 2-minute conviction. Have a great week.